Alrighty, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are all doing well. I hope you all got a chance to relax and spend some time doing things you like over the weekend. Um, this video I'm making today is just kind of a run through of what we'll be doing this week and what you can expect to be doing this week. So we're going to start off with today's lesson, and I'm going to post this after I record this video. Today's lesson is just going to be a chance for you guys to review the states and to learn kind of the state locations or review where states are if you kind of know where some of them are, and learn where some more states are and stuff like that. So what I want you to do, the first thing is I want you to go ahead and click on the digital lesson Google Slides, the 1019 digital lesson Google Slides. And the reason I want you to do that is because there is a state map, a map of the states in that set of Google Slides. It's going to be the third slide, so I want you to look it over and I want you to study it before you try to play the game. Now, what I'm hoping is these states that are in yellow, I'm really kind of hoping they're easier to read for you guys than they are for me. I think my monitor is just not great, but I'm hoping that this is easier to read for you guys than it is for me. If it isn't, please let me know. Please send me an email and I can change up the map so that you guys can take and see all the names of the states and study that and learn what you need to learn, because I am going to ask you to name states on a map for the test that is coming up next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, just so you know. All right. So please make sure that you take and do that. Please make sure that you study this before you click on one of these two links. These are both games to help you kind of refresh your memory or study where the states are on a map. Excuse me, guys. Sorry. Where the states are on a map. It's going to give you a state name, and you just have to click on the state name. So make sure you do that just to review. This will be a great way to review for the test. If you want to use these later on, they'll be up here until the end of the year, but you'll be able to use this for the Unit 1 test and to study for the Unit 1 test to help you as a different way other than just using your review sheet that you're going to get Tuesday and Wednesday. So that's what you guys are doing today. That's what I want you to do today. Tomorrow in the live lesson, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be finishing up the U.S. geography slides. So come in prepared to hear that and to listen to that. And then for the digital day, what I would like you guys to do, I'd like you to go ahead and fill out your review sheet. I am going to let you guys take and bring this review sheet in to the test next week. So I strongly suggest and strongly recommend that you fill it out so that you have it as a cheat sheet and you have it as a sheet and a reference for yourselves while you are taking the test. Okay, guys? So make sure you fill this out. I'm giving you time, giving you this class day, this digital day, to fill out this review sheet. You need to fill out both sheets. It needs to be printed out for the day of the test. And I will reiterate that in class, but it needs to be printed out for the day of the test. If you type out your answers and then print it off and have it for yourselves on your desk, that's fine. If you print it off and you handwrite the answers on the review sheet and have it on your desk when you're taking the test, that is also fine. Whichever way you want to do it. If you don't have a way of printing it out, please let me know. Please see me or email me, and we will try to figure out a way to make that work. All right, guys, I've got a printer in my room. I can print you off some copies. I did plan on making some copies for you guys so you have them if you need them. Just let me know, please, so I know who needs it and who doesn't, so that you have a copy of the review sheet for the test. All right, guys? So part one, that's part two. Part one is going to look like this. You are going to make your own copy in that assignment, so you will be able to space this out, and you will be able to add the definitions in here and make it so that you can read the definitions and it's easy to see where each term is and all of that. And then you're going to answer these questions. There are more questions and there are more terms than you will see on the test, but I'm okay with that because you will have this as a cheat sheet, so you will just have to review a little more information than you need to know for the test. Just a heads up, just so you know. So that's what you're going to do Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We are going to play Gimkit, a Gimkit review in class. So I know you guys already did the Gimkit review for the geography terms, but we're going to review the whole unit using this Gimkit. It should be a lot of fun. We're going to play it in class, so you guys should have a good time playing that. While we are doing that, I am going to ask you guys to go ahead and study for your test, look over the review sheet, and then make up any work you are missing from the first quarter so far. You can email me and I will let you know what you are missing. I should have everything up to date, hopefully by the end of today. But if not, by Thursday, I should have everything up to date on the homework board and everything up to date in school tools. So you should be able to at least see that you've handed it in or something like that. I should at least have it up on the homework board so that you should be able to at least see how many homework assignments you owe, what you owe, and all of that. All right. So that's what I want you guys to do for the rest of this week. Please keep an eye out. Please make sure you are doing these assignments. These assignments, the digital day assignments, are in there to help you and make your lives easier. So please make sure you're doing them. Please make sure you're getting them done and you are going through them and completing them. All right, guys? So with that said, I hope you guys have a fantastic Digital Monday, and I will catch you guys tomorrow and Wednesday. We will continue with U.S. Geography. Have a great day, guys.